Before you can detail a car right away, the setup matters just as much as the detail itself. A lot of people think you could grab a bucket and a towel and get the job done. But if you want real results, your setup has to be dialed in. So today, I'm going to show you the exact setup on my detailing station before doing a detail on the car. The tools I use and how I organize everything and how we're gonna put this all to work on the vehicle. So right here I got my guy, Nick Shaw. Shout out to Nick Shaw and all the Shaws. So he helped me build my detailing setup. And so right here we're just cutting out the wood and we're just gonna smooth out the edges. He has all the tools. Now you see Big Siege getting into play, you know? He getting down to the work, sanding down the panels for the truck. So you just do a little bit of sanding down so we could paint them. And it was a pretty cool job. Right here you can see we're about to paint them. And so, you know, we're obviously going black. And here's the finished product right here. And then as you see, I'm just working on the setup, making sure everything's good. Back here I got everything I need that's in the bed of the truck. I'm running the generator to power everything. I got a water tank and a pressure washer. And also I keep my vacuum and other tools so I can stay organized and easy to grab. Well, having a setup like this saves me time, keeps the process smooth, and makes sure I can focus on getting the best results. And right here, I'm just gonna clean a car and enjoy.